linking words to show additions. Furthermore. The school is elegant. Furthermore, it's in a suitable location. The worker arrives on time. Furthermore, his work is flawless. In addition, she has a villa in India and a castle in Scotland. In addition to her luxurious apartment in America. In addition to books, the organization also published magazines. Not only but also. She not only sings songs but also writes songs for her music band. The student not only good at English but also at mathematics. Either or. Either the boy or the girl were present in the seminar. She is going to buy either the black or the white one. Neither nor. Neither his father nor his mother agreed upon the proposal that he made. We neither knew nor cared what had happened to them. Besides, do you speak any other languages beside your mother tongue? It doesn't matter if it takes more time to finish, besides. It's not your fault. Also, Gabby is a singer and also writes novels. Mark is fluent in English. She also speaks a little German. Next to there was a poor man standing next to him at the train station. His boss and he sat next to each other in the conference room. As well as The company advertised its products on televisions as well as in newspapers. We all have the responsibility to our family as well as to our society. Apart from the salary, the overall job condition is good. Apart from his apartment in New York, he also has a piece of land in India. Linking words to show examples. For example, in North America, for example, child abuse laws and regulations are very stringent. The taxes would be imposed on products that harm the human body. For example, tobacco and soft drinks. For instance, in South India, for instance, Bengali was claimed as a mother tongue by over 4 million people in the 1971 census. His grandparents, for instance, don't know how to use an automatic teller machine. To illustrate, a discovery of her work will serve to illustrate her comprehensive creative genius. Activities included drawing a pie chart to illustrate total income, and creating an annual calendar. Such as, there are many religions in the world, such as Christianity, Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism and Judaism. The harmful activities such as logging and mining deplete our environmental resources. As an example, the author uses her life story as an example of how a woman can leave an abusive relationship. They should take the subject as an example and guide. As an illustration, she has taken the jellyfish as an illustration of a life form. The movie is significant as an illustration of working-class aspirations and fortune. Linking words to show similarities. Similarly. Husband and wife were similarly successful in their teaching careers. All parts of the country were similarly affected by the virus. Likewise. They set up a fence, and their neighbors did likewise. They voted for the change in the health sector, and they expected their friends and relatives to do likewise. Moreover, she enjoys speaking in English and, moreover, is good at it. The whole essay is badly written. Moreover, it is inaccurate. In like manner, the government regulatory body may in like manner administer an old age pension directly from its head office. Our Prime Minister, in like manner, who privately say one thing, but very publicly say another. Correspondingly, life in the city is costly, but income is correspondingly high. As we get older, it gets correspondingly difficult to communicate with people. Similar to the ice coverage was similar to today until the end of the 20th century. The basic style of the questionnaire is similar to that of the 2011 census. Like, her wedding dress was so soft it was like silk. The lady is acting like a complete idiot. By the same token, they don't think that prices of the share market will go up, but, by the same token, they don't see them going down either. We think the penalty for defeat will be high. But, by the same token, the rewards for success will be great.